Hard to believe school around here is about to start in a few weeks, Joseph,
Yeah.
because we got a lot of summer to get through still.
It's still very warm out there, so you have to get the shorts, the shirt. Yeah, it's summer wear, so it's hard to kind of transition back
It
to school
is.
when it's this nice outside, right?
Yeah, my kids are asking for all sweatshirts and pants, and I'm like,
It's not going to work.
I mean,
Not
eventually,
yet. Yeah,
sure.
yeah, eventually. Of course, for me, But at
Yeah.
least as I look at the weather headlines, it's not coming up anytime soon, I'll tell you that. Here's the view that we have out of McMinnville right now. We have beautiful hills there in the distance. If you look out there in the distance there, I think about Stoller Winery Hills are out there. So this is just looking out towards the north from McMinnville. We love this shot. You can see the blue sky there. Now coming up, we're going to keep the heat in the forecast. In fact, it's going to climb very quick as we go into tomorrow and Thursday, as temperatures will likely be in the lower 90s as early as the early afternoon. We have to watch for a little bit of moisture moving on in, which is going to lead to likely a lightning threat for some of the locations in central Oregon, for the mountains, and down to the south. And of course, that could come with a couple new wildfires, and that's why we want to stay away and avoid any sort of lightning. We're still looking for some cooler air and some rain. I do not have it in the forecast right now, and the extended forecast just seems like it's going to be warm and dry. We've been above average most days over the last 31 days. This month we fell below average 4 times there, hit average once. And then you can see this span of very warm days. That was our last heat wave. Well, it's going to be again above that mark as we go into Wednesday and Thursday as a developing ridge starts to take on over here in the west coast. I'll show you on the weather pattern here. This is going to be some cooler air in a trough to the west, and you would think maybe it would come impact us, but it's not going to have the opportunity to, because we kind of have this shield building and developing, as I mentioned, here out towards the west. That's going to be that ridge of high pressure. That typically means some warmer air, some sunshine, and every once in a while we get some moisture underneath it, which leads to a couple thunderstorms. Not expecting thunderstorms west of the Cascades at this point in time, but we definitely will get some of that in central and eastern Oregon. Well, as long as that ridge is around, it's going to stay pretty warm, but by the time we get closer to the weekend, we may start to see that trough pushing on in, which could help cool us down a little bit, but I still expect it to be pretty warm. This is Vancouver. This is looking across way towards the airport. A little bit of a haze out there, so maybe a little bit of smoke or a little bit of moisture kind of trapped in some of those particles, so it gives a bit of a haze there closer towards the surface, but that crisp blue sky. Key message just moving forward is that it's just going to be very warm the next couple of days, and that's why we have that heat advisory going into place. Anywhere from about 95 and above this time of the year happens about 4.4% of the time, so this warm air is definitely something that's outside of kind of our comfort zone, but we will be getting it the next couple of days, so just plan on it now. Satellite and radar showing just dry conditions, no rain in the forecast. Down to the south, some showers that are moving through the Great Basin. This is the monsoonal moisture that we are tracking that could lead into areas of Oregon, which could spark some of those thunderstorms in the coming days. FutureCast here as I take you through the rest of today. There's not a lot to discuss. We get into Wednesday, though. Watch what happens late Wednesday. We start seeing some clouds moving in from the south there, and that's due to some of those thunderstorms that are likely going to move on in, some moisture, as well as Thursday. So we are probably going to see warm temperatures on Thursday, but this cloud coverage could inhibit some of those temperatures for a bit. We'll keep an eye on that. We still have that thunderstorm activity down to the south there. And by the time we get into Friday, that marine layer should sink on in, and that will help cool us down, probably into the lower 80s by Friday. Biking forecast tomorrow, we have nothing but sunshine to start the day. Temperatures already at 75 degrees by 10 a.m. Maybe heading over to the Sunflower Festival Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can see those temperatures in the 80s, slightly cooler there on Friday, a little bit warmer there on Saturday and Sunday. And there's your 7-day forecast. Couple red days there, Jenny. That means we're going to have some warm temperatures. We know that. 98 for Wednesday. So far, we'll keep it at 97 on Thursday. Thursday's record's 99, so we potentially get pretty close to that. Then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're in the 80s, still warm. And looking into next week, I think it's going to be warm too. So a lot of summer left to kind of bring this all back around.
How long has it been since we haven't had rain again?
It's like, I think we're pushing about 37, 38 days measurably. We've had some downpours here or there, but at the airport, we haven't had measurable
Lots
rain.
of brown lawns I've noticed around our
Tons,
neighborhood, I know,
yeah.
and everywhere, really. All right, we'll be right back with more news and a final check on your forecast.